Investing even a modest sum, like $500 a month, is a truly powerful strategy for building significant wealth over time. It's not just for the super rich. It's an accessible path for anyone committed to their financial future. Consistent commitment to this monthly investment can lead to surprising financial gains, far beyond what you might imagine initially. Small, regular contributions truly add up. This approach also allows you to benefit from the incredible magic of compounding. Compounding means your earnings start earning their own returns, creating an accelerating snowball effect on your wealth. It's often called the eighth wonder of the world for a good reason. This guide will provide a practical roadmap for the average person to get started with investing $500 every single month. Before you invest a single dollar, it's crucial to clarify your financial objectives. What are you hoping to achieve with your money? Having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. Perhaps you're saving for retirement, aiming for a comfortable and secure future. Or maybe a substantial down payment on your dream house is your primary motivation. These specific goals will influence your timeline and investment choices. You might have other specific financial goals, like funding a child's education, starting a business, or achieving financial independence earlier. Write these down. They are your North Star. Next, you need to understand your personal risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the inevitable ups and downs of the market? This isn't about being reckless, but about knowing your comfort zone. Are you okay with potential market fluctuations, understanding that short-term volatility is normal for long-term growth? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach, prioritizing stability even if it means potentially lower returns? Your answer will shape your investment strategy. The next practical step is to open a brokerage account, which is your gateway to the investment world. Choose a reputable online brokerage firm that aligns with your needs and preferences. It's your secure platform for buying and selling investments. When selecting a brokerage, definitely look for low fees, especially for trading commissions or maintenance charges. High fees can eat into your returns over time, so every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Also, ensure the platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, particularly if you are a beginner investor. Some popular options renowned for their reliability and low costs include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. These are excellent starting points for many new investors, offering a broad range of services. A good brokerage account provides access to a wide range of investment options, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. This variety allows you to build a diversified portfolio. Many of these platforms also offer fantastic educational resources specifically designed for beginners. Now, let's explore some of the most common investment options available to you. Understanding these will help you choose what best fits your goals and risk tolerance. Index funds and ETFs are often excellent starting points for beginners because they are straightforward and effective. They offer broad market exposure, meaning you invest in many companies at once. This inherent diversification spreads your risk across various assets, making them less volatile than individual stocks. They typically have low costs because they simply track a market index, like the S&P 500, rather than requiring active management. ETFs trade like stocks throughout the day, offering you flexibility in when you buy or sell them. Mutual funds are professionally managed investment portfolios that pool money from many investors to buy a variety of securities. These are actively managed funds, where a fund manager makes buying and selling decisions. They offer the potential to outperform the market if the fund manager makes smart investment choices. However, they often come with higher fees, known as expense ratios, to cover the cost of this professional management. It's essential to research fund managers and their track records to ensure they have a history of good performance. Investing in individual company stocks means buying a small piece of ownership in a specific public company. This can be riskier than funds, but offers potential for higher returns if the company performs well. It also carries the risk of losing money if the company struggles. Investing in individual stocks requires thorough research into the companies you consider. You need to understand their business model, financial health, and future prospects. It's wise to diversify your stock portfolio across different industries to mitigate risk. Bonds are essentially loans you make to a government or corporation, who then pay you interest over a set period. They are generally less volatile than stocks, offering a more stable investment. Bonds can provide a steady stream of income through regular interest payments. You might consider a mix of government and corporate bonds for diversification within your bond holdings. Government bonds are usually very safe, while corporate bonds can offer higher returns but with slightly more risk. Bonds can be a good addition to balance a stock-heavy portfolio. Automating your investments is truly the key to consistent investing and building wealth without constant effort. It removes the need to remember to invest each month. The easiest way to do this is to set up a recurring transfer of your $500 monthly. You can usually set this up directly from your checking account to your brokerage account. Most brokerages offer this feature, allowing you to choose the amount and the date of transfer. This automation removes the emotional element from investing. You won't be tempted to delay or skip a month based on market news or other distractions. It ensures consistent contributions over time, which is fundamental to benefiting from dollar-cost averaging and compounding. Many investments, particularly stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs, pay dividends, which are distributions of a company's earnings to its shareholders. Instead of taking these payments as cash, choose to reinvest these dividends back into your investments. This simple step can significantly boost your returns. Reinvesting dividends means those payments automatically buy more shares or units of the same investment. This allows your money to grow even faster because those new shares then start earning their own dividends, compounding your returns further. It's a powerful way to accelerate your wealth building. Regularly reviewing your portfolio is a critical habit for any investor. You should aim to check in on your investments at least annually, or whenever there are significant life changes. This review ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your initial goals and your current risk tolerance. Life circumstances like a new job, marriage, or approaching retirement can shift your financial objectives and risk comfort. Based on your review, you might need to rebalance your portfolio as needed. Rebalancing involves adjusting your asset allocation back to your desired percentages. This could mean selling some investments that have grown significantly to trim their proportion, or it could involve buying more of other assets that may have underperformed to maintain your desired asset allocation and diversification. Continuously educating yourself about investing and financial markets is an ongoing process that will benefit you immensely. The more you learn, the more confident and capable you'll become as an investor. Make it a habit to read financial news and reputable sources regularly. Publications, websites, and podcasts from established financial organizations can offer valuable insights. Follow reputable financial advisors or educators who provide clear, unbiased information. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. Most importantly, learn from your own investment experiences, both the successes and the missteps. Each lesson helps you refine your strategy. Investing $500 a month is not just a pipe dream for the average person. It's a powerful and achievable step towards securing your financial future. By consistently applying these 7 steps, you can build a solid investment portfolio tailored to your unique goals. You are truly taking control of your financial destiny. This consistent action will allow you to achieve your financial goals, whether that's a comfortable retirement, a down payment on a home, or simply greater financial freedom. Remember, consistency and patience are absolutely key to long-term success in the world of investing. Start today, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow.